Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will be teaching you how to do this no makeup look in less than 10 minutes. That was 10 minutes there. This video is for those people who are in a hurry, just want to look good for a TikTok video. I'm so guilty, but don't have enough time to do a glam look and just want to keep it simple, you know, simple, natural, just like this look. If you're interested, just keep on watching.
Okay, so we are going to start off with sunscreen. So I use Purito sunscreen, unscented version, and I actually saw this from Skincare by Hiram, and he really recommended this because this is the best that he has ever tried, and of course I had to try it as well. I got this from Shopee for only 998 pesos. My face is turning kinda red, but that's okay, don't mind that. And I also like to put it on my neck because I feel like if I don't put sunscreen on my neck, it might age earlier. I don't know. Next, I'm going to use the Brow Duo from BLK. It seems like I'm doing this really aggressively, but I'm really not. Now for the other eyebrow, I have a really obvious bald spot right there, so that's what I'm focusing on. And of course, I'm just gonna brush it out so it would look blended. If you watch my videos, you know that I only use one concealer, and it's It Cosmetics Bye Bye Breakout. So what I'm doing now is I'm just spot concealing. I'm not gonna put foundation because my face would look really heavy, and we're not going for that look. So after blending it out, I am going to put concealer on my eye bags. It seems like I don't have eye bags, but look. See? It's super dark. Anyway, so this is how I put my concealer. It's sort of like an inverted triangle. I just use my fingers to blend because I feel like it's easier than using a concealer brush. And I think I blend it pretty well too. Just keep on dabbing. I think I did it for like a minute. So now I'm gonna use loose powder on my face to set the concealer. Also to mattify my face a bit because it's kinda oily. So basically, I'm just putting it on top of the places that I put concealer on. And I'm gonna let this sit for a little while. So while it sits, I am going to use my BLK lip tint. I really like this shade because I feel like it has just the right amount of shimmer, and the pink tones is so cute and it matches my skin tone. So after that, I am going to brush away all the extra loose powder on my face. So yeah, I didn't really bake it for too long. It kind of just sat on my face for like a minute. And of course, last but not least, blush. Because we're looking kind of pale, we need some blush. And this is Tarte in the shade of Party. Just like the concealer, if you watch my videos, you would know that I only use this blush. just because I feel like it suits my skin color really nicely. A little bit over my nose so I can have that slightly drunk-ish look, but not really. This is the final look. It doesn't look like I'm wearing makeup, no?
Okay guys, so there you have it. It's super simple. It took me less than 10 minutes to do. If I had my things right in front of me right away, then it would have been around what, 7 minutes? So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, then please leave a thumbs up and comment below. And of course, subscribe. Thank you!